Hi guys, Derek here. So, as they say, when it rains it pours. I've also received this in the post, which is the Panda Touch for the bamboo printers that I have. So I'm just going to do a quick unboxing, and then I will try and do a setup video on how I get on with this. So let me make a start in unboxing this. Okay, so sticker. Thank you for choosing Bigtree Tech products. For makers, by makers, the Panda Touch, and there it is itself. Let me just take this out of the case so you can see. So I'll show you the back first. So it looks like you got a USB-C port here. You got the two connectors. You got the power switch and such. That is, I'm guessing that's the actual case. I haven't opened up one of these before. You got a USB drive to go in there, which makes things a bit easier rather than using the little micro SD cards. What else do we have? In here we've got some metal parts, metal bracket. We have a USB-A to USB-C. We have Allen key. We have a bit of paper with something inside there. And also get the duck, which is nice to see again. I'm just trying to open up this packaging. I want to know what's in here. Okay, so in here is a little package, that's what she says, with 4 screws. Yeah, which makes a little bit more sense for connecting it, but there we go. So that's all that's in here. What I'm going to do next is attach it to one of my bamboo printers and get it set up. So I'm not too sure if I'll do an unboxing and then another video, I'm not too sure. Let's see. Speak to you soon.
A few moments later.
Okay, so what I've done, I've found a mount which I will link down below. So these two go to one side, routed the cable through the hole to the the USB plug, which is inside of the printer. I've just turned it on, so it's just come up to the welcome screen. I'm just going to hook up to my Wi-Fi. One moment. So this is the next screen. It's asking for the name of the printer, the IP address, which you could find off of this screen, same with the access code and the serial. So I'll just go and do that now. Okay, so once you entered the IP of the printer, the name of the printer, serial number it also requests, which you can get from the screen, and obviously the access codes. You get given the home screen, so we can go on here. Shows you here this, all of the information that you need. It shows you what's on the actual P1S or the flash drive. Language, factory reset. Shows you network stuff. And obviously at the moment it's only showing the one printer. So I'm going to try and add this printer here as well, which is the P1P. So let me just give that a go and I'll come straight back. Okay, and I am back. So yeah, I have now connected my P1P to this system. If you go into the network, you can actually see it's actually here. Got P1P and the P1S. Got the P1P, P1S as master, which obviously when you go to the controls, it will just control the P1S. Now, if I want to control the P1P, you go back in here, click where it says sync and change that to master. And confirm that. They will now swap over. So these details will now only control the P1P. I have double checked a few things, and in a firmware update they should be addressing this. So in theory, when you just click on here and pick a printer, you should be able to just control it. But for the time being, I'll leave that back down to the master. That master. Confirm that. And then that one's just down to sync, which means you could just see it anyway, but can't control it. Obviously, I should be able to take that off. And it's now running on its battery. The battery lasts roughly about half an hour. But it's ideal for if you want to work from your PC or anything. These magnets are very strong. You've got no worries about it falling off. Watch, listen how strong these are. So, very strong. Other than that, I think it's a nice little touch. Obviously, I've got the X Touch on there, and I've got the Panda Touch on there. So, it's a nice little thing. I'm quite happy with it. The link for this mount I'll put down in the description below. I think I found it on Thingiverse or somewhere. But I'll put the link down below. And yeah, this is the Panda Touch. I think in total for the UK it worked out to be about £35. For what it is, I think it's fantastic. They will be upgrading it to take on things on Clipper base, and hopefully it will take the Neptune 4 Max, and then I should be able to control all three printers via this screen, which would be great. Anyway, thanks again. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If not, whatever. Like, comment, subscribe, and be yourselves. See you later. Bye.